Venue operators and wedding photographers are reaching out to the governor to talk about reopening. A group sent a letter to the governor asking that venues can operate at full capacity with safety guidelines.
And as our Fox 12's John Hendricks tells us, they want that to happen 30 days after the vaccine is available to all adults. John?
Well, Pete and Bonnie, the venues and gig workers say that this pandemic has really hit them hard. Some of them have been closed for the last year. Industry experts say it takes time to put these events together, so they want to get ahead of things before the start of their busy season. For the better part of a year, places like concert halls, wedding venues, and all the things and jobs that come with it have felt the impacts of COVID-19.
2020, the average live events business lost 85% of their revenues.
Live Events Industry of Oregon and others are calling on the state to get them a timeline and equal playing field to reopen. Right now, Sean Whittemore with Live Event Industry of Oregon says that they are operating at about 10% of normal.
We'd like to be treated equally as the other entities that are currently open, bars, restaurants, and churches. So that's an important factor.
They say the impact of these closures is real. The industries generate $8 to $10 billion economic dollars a year across the state. The group says they understand safety and planning and reopening.
We manage people, we move people in and out of spaces. So we're very adept at managing what would be the safety protocols, masks and mitigation and social distancing.
A point of concern for some is any super spreader event. Also in that equation is the unknowns of different variants of the virus that are known to be more contagious. The group is asking that venues be allowed to operate at full capacity with all safety guidelines. They want this to happen 30 days after a county hits low risk and when vaccine has been made available to all adults.
We want to do this safe, and we care about public health. Those are very important things to us.
The group hopeful their letter to the governor is a starting point, and they'll be able to find a path forward to normal during a meeting scheduled with the governor at the end of the month. The governor's office sent us a statement today saying, in part, our office has received this letter. We appreciate the feedback of Oregon's venue and event operators, and our office has been in touch with representatives of the industry. As Oregon's COVID-19 case rates continue to decline and vaccines become more widely available to Oregonians, Governor Brownie is committed to reevaluating Oregon's health and safety restrictions for businesses. The governor's office went on to say that Oregonians should continue to take those necessary precautions to ward off the virus, like wearing a face mask, keeping social distancing, and getting vaccinated. Reporting live tonight, John Hendricks, Fox 12 Oregon.